Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we iterate.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from a company called QVR Hair. And if you guys are interested, I'll have all of the links, details, and information located in the info section below. So here is the wig that I picked up. I picked up this absolutely gorgeous, affordable, kinky, curly wave brown highlight V-part wig, and this is what it looks like. It does have 5 wefted clips, 3 combs, a removable elastic bands, and a drawstring in the very back so you can get a nice comfortable fit. Now I am going to go ahead and position this unit on my canvas block because I do plan on redefining these curls. So my unit is 18 inches long, and I just kind of wanted these curls to pop and give it some nice, afro like volume. So I'm spraying my unit down with a little bit of water, and then I'm using my Alicia Leatherwood detangling brush just to kind of clump those curls together. I'm also going in using my pattern cream gel. I'm applying that all over the hair just to where I can get these curls to pop. Again, I want like a super natural looking curly defined look, just to where it will blend in with my hair. I do plan on pulling out my natural hair. Now with this unit, you don't have to pull out any hair. This is one of those units that you literally will throw on and go. It gives you a very natural look if you choose not to pull out any hair. However, y'all know me. I have the hair, so I'm going to utilize it every chance I get. So I will be taking out my natural hair around the front just to kind of give my hair a very natural pop of color. So people can be like, did you put some highlights in your hair? Girl, what you do differently? You cut your hair? Okay, so now I'm going in using my diffuser, and I'm just drying up these curls just so I can get a nice bouncy shrunken look. And this is what the unit looks like. It is still a little damp, but we're not going to worry about that right now because it is like 100 degrees outside, and once I step outside, this unit is going to dry like that. Now this is what my leave out looks like. I did have my hair into little cornrows. I applied a little bit of gel so I can get a nice hold on my hair, so to where it can blend in perfectly with the unit. So now I'm taking a sharp pair of shears, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that V part right open. So now I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair out the way just so we can go ahead and get this wig on. Now again, this unit has 5 wefted clips. I decided to just use the 2 front clips in the very front, and I am adjusting the drawstring in the back so I can get a nice comfortable fit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just pull out my natural hair, and you guys see how quickly my hair just blends in with this unit. I was a little worried because usually with shorter units my hair tends to be a little longer, but I forgot I did cut the front of my hair a couple months back, so it blends in perfectly with the unit and it's just about the same length. So this is what this unit is looking like. Y'all can't tell where my hair starts. Even with the color, it blends in flawlessly. Y'all cannot tell me where my hair starts or where it ends, if that even makes any sense. Y'all don't mind me. But this is what this unit looks like. I am in love. I love the pop of color. This unit has that 1B30 highlights, and with my hair, just kind of going around that color, because my hair is black, so the color is just kind of popping through, giving this like a phenomenal summer look, and I am just so here for it. Now with this unit, it's super natural. It blends in perfectly with my hair, and I love the fact that I'm able to get a, a kind of shorter look. You guys don't mind that one little curl. Y'all don't mind it. It's kind of giving me like that, retro tail look. I feel like putting like a little bit of hair jewelry on that one little curl just to kind of give it like a like a unique look. But for the most part, y'all, this hair is gorgeous. You guys do check out QVR Hair. I'll have all the details located in the info section below. If you guys want to save 23% off of your purchase, be sure to use my discount code, which is REB23, again, to save some cash. Y'all definitely let me know what you guys think about this one. I'm in love. This is like gonna be my summer staple. It's so gorgeous. Y'all let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.